Guys, One Up Indie here, coming with some exciting content, and this is the Notice Me Game Jam. Alright, so if you're thinking, oh, the Game Jam, that's so interesting. Not, but wait, because I actually have a kicker which is making the whole thing kind of really interesting. If you're thinking, yeah, it's the money. No, actually not the money. If you're thinking, wait a minute, One Up Indie, have you hit your head today? A little bit on the wall. No. I have a very specific reason why. First of all, I'm entering myself into this contest. Before, I was just like, maybe not. Most of the time, I was just, not gonna bother with it. But today, I want to declare that I'm gonna enter it. And for that, I need to partner up and want to partner up with one of you guys. So if you are up for the challenge, and this is the interesting part for me, I will do the programming. So coding is out of your complete control. I will do this part, but for example, what you do is the art, because I suck at that. I really am not good at that. So basically, if you are an artist and if you think like, sweet, I would like to be part of this thing and contribute and get the special bonus, because I will do, of course, 50-50, because I think this is just fair. And well, then we will split whatever we get out of this one. And now let's go to the secret part. Why do I actually do this? And if you're wondering, it's not the money, so why are you doing this? One Up Indie, this has to be really good, and in my opinion, it actually is. Hopefully maybe you recognize who this dude is, because he's kind of famous. Very famous, extremely famous. Yes, this is PEWDIEPIE. Even though, for example, you don't watch him, he's one of the most famous, biggest YouTubers of all time. And if you're thinking, 111 million subscribers, 28 billion views, and this dude will shout out the winners. Only the winners, which is a little bit, but of course, if we win, and he shouts this out, this has a multiplication value which is more worth than any of those prizes. Just to sum it up, because this is actually kind of interesting, and this is my main motivation why I'm going in. Of course, winning the first prize, hey, not gonna bother, not gonna say like, hey, cash is always cool, but that is much more worth. Much more worth. So once again, kind of interesting thing, and then there are some rules to it. So basically, Game Jam starts at the 4th and then ends at the 18th of March. So this is in a week and some crumbs. So if you're, for example, not playing the next 3 weeks, just Elden Ring, so Elex 2, if you go for the jank movement and stuff. Yeah, the Germans love that game, by the way, and Farm Simulator. And therefore, if you got the free time, then maybe this is something you want to do. Even though, for example, you don't believe in Opera and GameMaker making games and those game jams, I guess this is the biggest motivation for me. Of course, if you're thinking, I don't really care, then hey, this video was not for you, and then hopefully you got a good day after that. But if, for example, if you want to join with me, jump into my Discord. Once again, I am looking for an artist where we split 50-50 everything. So once again, if you want to join the One Up Indie army, just one man army, then you are most welcome to do so. And of course, then at the 4th, the theme will be kind of released. So for example, what is it? Last time it was UFO. Now it will be, I don't know, farm, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Therefore, I need one artist, which is actually good. So you have to be kind of talented once again. So no like stickman stuff. I can do that myself, by the way. So that is team up with One Up Indie. If you like, I'm looking for an artist. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you're thinking, maybe there is something to it. Just drop me a comment, and if you think like, hey, I'm right, or maybe I'm completely wrong and this is completely useless. Alrighty, hopefully you enjoyed this, and see you the next time. Have a good one. One Up Indie.